Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon manure in Breath of the Wild. Start by gathering salmon roe and a spare cooking pot, then locate a small tilled patch or flower bed you control. Cook the roe slowly until it becomes a paste, then spread it evenly across the soil and wait for growth prompts. Return after a game day or two to check results and reapply if needed for steady yields. First, gather enough salmon roe by fishing in river mouths and coastal inlets where salmon spawn. Keep roe fresh in your inventory and bring a cooking pot or use a campfire to process it into paste. Aim to prepare small batches to avoid waste and store extra roe for future runs so you can apply manure whenever crops need a boost without long detours. When applying, spread the paste thin and even so all seeds receive nutrients and avoid clumping that could hinder growth. Keep the area free from heavy traffic and do not place large objects on treated soil to prevent disruption. Visit after a game day to assess progress, remove pests, and reapply a light layer if growth is slow, ensuring a steady harvest and healthy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.